Hello friends, this is Carlos from C.A.M Locksmith. Today I had to rekey this padlock. It's Avis 8350 and the type of security, it's a 8 out of 10, so it's pretty good. And this is it's not an aluminum. It's chrome brass padlock. So I'm gonna rekey it to this key right here, because right now it comes with 0 bitting, so any key can open it. If you can see the key that comes with it, so it doesn't have no cuts on it because it doesn't have no beatings. So any key opens it. Let me show you. Like this one. No cuts, so 0 beating, and it opens as you can see. Alright, so I sell this type of lock. If you guys need some, I can rekey it to your house key, or it could be all the same key. This is a quick set one. There's a sledge one, the different ones that you can use. So in order to rekey this padlock, I have to remove this core and take it out, and in order to rekey it, so in order to do that, I need to open it. Then right here it has a screw. I don't know if you can see it. And then let me get my screwdriver. Where did it go? It uses a Phillips screwdriver like this one. So all you do is take out that screw, and so you get it in there. Alright, there you go. So once you take out that screw, have that screw right there, put it right there for when you don't lose it, and that's how it looks without the core. Put it on the side. So this is the core. This little thing right here, it's like a secure lock. What that does is when you have your key, it's not gonna work. It's not rekey, right? So what it does when you have your key, when you open the lock, it keeps the key in there. So that's like a key retainer. We're not gonna use that, so I'm gonna take that off and put it on the side. But we don't need that right now. Get the key again. Okay. So this is pretty easy to rekey. As you can see, it has a window here. Then when you turn it, it's gonna have the pins here, and then that's where you rekey it. This is one of the easiest ones to rekey, but in order for that to happen, I need to turn the key, and then I don't know if you can see right here, it has a little retainer. So I need to press down on that retainer in order to turn that all the way. That's like a protection, because if you go all the way, obviously your pin's gonna come out and it's gonna mess up the lock. So I'm gonna push it down and turn it slowly. As you can see it already went. Push down that little pin retainer to go in through there. And then I'm gonna go slowly. I think that's the other way. To the top. Yeah, as you can see, those are the pins. So right now there's 0 pins, which are 1. It's the same. I mean, they don't have a pin. It's actually a 1. bottom pin for quit set, it's a 1, so it has, and as you can see, this one has 6 chambers, 1 2 3 4 5 6, but right now it's only acted as a 5-pin chamber because this key is a 5-pin 5 cut, but the key that comes in is a 6 cut. But this is optional. If you want to add a little bit more secure, you can add that, and then you just put the new spring and you cover that at, so you'll have a 6-pin core, but right now it's a 5-pin. So what I'm gonna do, we don't need that one no more. I'm gonna dump them out. 1 2 3 4 5, and I'm going to recycle this so I can use it for later for another locks that I need to rekey, and put it in my pin. Okay, so now I can take that out. So this is the key I'm going to use to repin. I decoded already. This is the code. It's from bow to tip. The numbers are bow to tip. So this was a 21525. This is a 21525. So what do? You put in the key. I'm doing quick set. This part right here is a quick set. All this right here is my master, and then this part here is the bottom pin that which you're gonna go in here. So the first one is a 2, which is this one, and remember I said it's below the tip. So the 2, you have to make sure it's flush, whatever you say it, not sticking out, because if it stick out, it's not gonna go through. So that's good. And the next one's a 1. Get in there, and it's good. It's gonna go through. Then the next one is a 5. 5 and the 2 and the 5. And as you can see, this one is sticking out, so that's probably not a correct one. That's a 2. That's probably a 1. That one's sticking out. Let's put in the 1, and there it is, perfect. 1, and then a 5 again. Another thing on the bottom pin, this ones don't really have it, but there's some that has like a pointy. The point one goes towards the bottom. See, that was not correct either. I think that was the 2. The 5. And the 5. Okay. You can see everything's nice and flush. So it's gonna be able to turn. So then now I rekey that one to this key now. As you can see, and turn it, and then that's it. And now we could try it. So we put the cord back in, and so, and let's try it. Lock it before we put the screw, and there you go, it opens. Now this key, the one that came with it, it's not gonna work. Not even gonna let you go in. Oh, it does. There you go. So it's gonna not work no more. So that's it. That's how you rekey this. If you guys need a padlock and need it to get rekeyed, I recommend the Avis. It's a pretty good, durable padlock. It's makes it hard for it to somebody come and cut it. I mean, like anything else, it's not 100% secure, but at least I'll make it hard for them. So now I wanted to show you this one, how this one works. Let me put this back in there. So how this one works, like I said, this is a key retainer. See, you can put it in there. Yeah. Sometimes it's hard to get in there. Come on, work with me. Okay. So that one goes in here. That's a 1, 2. It goes in right there. So I'm going to show you how this works. See, put it in there, put it careful. And as you see, since the lock is open, now I cannot take out the key. So that's the key retainer. It only comes out when I lock it. Like I said, we don't need that one right now. Alright. So, came out, so I'm not going to put it back in, because I don't need it. Maybe a customer wants it. I do have one customer that does need it. It's just for the, you won't lose your key when you open the padlock. That's it. It's rekey to this key, and now it's ready to be used. So if you guys need any padlock that you want me to rekey to match your house key, or any key that you want, let me know. It's called C.A.M Locksmith. Or if you need any locks, install new locks or anything, rekey your house key, house locks and everything. So I'm here to help you. And put this, because this one's ready to be sold. Put that one in there. All right, good.